Zero cost with freelance. By working on junior or mid-level projects, you can recover all the investment value over time and also make profit. As long as you are willing to expose yourself on the IT market and to work from time to time on a small project here and there, instead of watching survival or whichever way you waste your time doing nothing special in your everyday life, doing something that doesn't add value, you could do freelance and recover all of your investment back. Look at all those free methods. Each has maximum potential of recovering all your invested value, just like all the other WoW members did so far, and a combination of this will guarantee you a maximum profit. I hope that you now understand why we are so different from everyone on the market. I hope now you understand that we do not offer courses or just courses. We offer a complete transformation where you become an elite web developer with a goal as top 10% junior, top 10% mid, top 10% senior and beyond. A person that knows how to talk to computers and how to give life to data by connecting users daily with projects, products and services for the biggest companies in the whole world through the interfaces and the dynamic apps created by us. Our product is your success. Our product is your ability to get hired. Our product is the WoW community. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join WoW Dope and apply.